Primacy and recency. What do they mean and what's that got to do with conversion? All will be revealed in this Whiteboard Wednesday. Hi, I'm Sam from the AJ Mastermind on my own because Phil is, I think where he is. Oh, he's on holiday. Now that's unusual. Moving on. You deserve it, Phil. Primacy and recency. These are two factors that govern how well you convert from evaluation to an instruction, and I'm going to explain to you why. So let's say you go in and you're valuation 1, and you right at the very beginning of their journey to sell their house, you've gone in and you've made a good impression, and they think, oh God, yeah, really like Sam. I think she's going to be great at selling our house, but we know that we're supposed to get, because we've read Which, we know we're supposed to get 2 more agents out. So then you have valuation 1 and valuation 2. Now, this first person here did have first mover advantage, did have primacy in their favour, but now you've got recency because 2 more other people have been in. And by the time it gets to the third one, sometimes they go, do you know what? You're here, let's just get it done. Especially if they've given them a good deal or a bit of a discount or a sweetener or something that's made them go, I'll get off the fence now, I'm going to go. And they're going to forget how much they loved Sam back here because now we're 2 weeks later and they're like Fred or somebody else instead. So how do you make sure that you capitalise on your primacy with recency? And that means you've got to stay in touch with them all the way through here. So I would suggest, and you'd have to find out what Phil does, but I think what he does is he tries to talk to them there after the second valuation and there, of course, after the third valuation. Now, if they're making a decision here, then this is going to be actually lots and lots and lots of touch points between valuation 3 and their decision. Otherwise, he's going to lose it. So he's got primacy, and now he's got recency, and then he gets the conversion. And that's how primacy and recency helps you convert from valuation to instruction. Now, this is just a little tip, and we go into much more of a deep dive on this topic and many more advanced topics for you, estate agents, whether you are somebody who's been going for 20, 30, 40 years and consider yourself a bit of a dinosaur, or whether you've just started and maybe you're still actually to list your first home. Everybody is welcome here at AJHQ at the AJ Mastermind in Windermere. So if you would like to come and see us at one of our events, and they are open events, open to everybody, and they're events to suit every single budget, and 1 day, 2 day or 3 day, and on topics ranging from, we've just done Convert Like a Boss, all the way through to a single day mastermind, or even a behind the scenes day, so you can see how we do things here at AJHQ and come and meet like-minded agents as well. So if you'd like to know whether an event is right for you and which event will be right for you, and also to book on before your competitor does, because we only have 1 person per area in the room, so you can talk about anything you like, then just go to ajmastermind.co.uk/events and get yourself booked on, and we'll see you here at AJHQ very soon. Thanks for watching this Whiteboard Wednesday. I'll be back very soon with another one. Bye.